Hello and welcome from Lloyd BMW South Lakes. Apologies for the weather, it's a little bit of a wet day here in the Lake District, but we do have for you is this stunning BMW M4 Convertible. It's a competition pack, so you get the bigger wheels and the better suspension, a little bit more power in the competition. It's a 2017 car on a 67 plate. It's done just over 30,000 miles, finished in this gorgeous mineral grey metallic with contrasting black leather interior. It's also got fitted the carbon fibre kit, so you can see you've got the carbon fibre splitter there on the front, carbon fibre inserts. You've also got the carbon fibre sills down the side there, and if I come round the back, you've also got the carbon fibre diffuser there as well. When we go to the inside of the car, we've also got carbon fibre in there as well. So let's open it up and try and get out of this rain. So as I said, you've got the black contrasting interior. You've got the M seats. You've got the vents in here as well to blow warm air on the back of your neck when obviously you've got the roof down. You've got electric memory seats as well. Let's jump inside and try and stay a little bit dry. You've also got the Harman Kardon sound system, so if you're into your music, then that's obviously a nice feature to have. Electric windows all round, electric folding mirrors as well. This car's equipped with the 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox as well, and to start it, this car's got an additional immobiliser fitted to it as well as a standard immobiliser as well. So if somebody's to break into your house and steal your keys, you need to put a code in to start the car, so it just gives you a little bit more protection. So to do that, you need to oops, there you go, turn the ignition on. You then need to put the code in, which obviously I'm not going to tell you what that is, and then press the start button, and the car then comes to life. So just gives you a little bit of extra security there. The mileage on the car said just over 30,000 miles. It's like 30,195 miles. You've got the big satellite navigation screen up here, which is touch sensitive, but you'll probably use the controller down here to operate that. And if I zoom out, I'll just show you where we're located. So if you've never been to us, we're in the northwest England, we're in Cumbria, just at the southern end of the Lake District. You've got Windermere up here, and you've got the M6 over here, and we're about 10 minutes from junction 36 of the M6. So beautiful part of the world. If you've never been, call in. The coffee machine's always on in the dealership. Below that, you've got some favourite buttons. You've got dual zone climate control, which I'm going to turn up. Turn up. It's a little bit chilly today, and as well as being a little bit wet. You've also got heated seats, which I'm definitely going to leave on. USB port there, you can plug your phone in. You've also got some additional storage underneath here, a couple of drinks holders as well. And whilst I'm under here, hopefully you can see there is the heated steering wheel button as well. So you've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. If I come back here, you can see these little buttons here. If I turn that on, that then starts to blow warm air out of the back of these vents onto the back of your neck. So you can imagine on a cold winter's day, you've got the roof down, you've got the heating turned up, heated seats turned on, heated steering wheel, and you've got the warm air blowing out of here. It's quite a nice place to be. Other things on here you've got is Bluetooth for your phone. You've also got a digital radio as well. Trim on this car is this black chrome strip which runs throughout. You've then got carbon fibre on the dashboard, which also carbon fibre on the centre console here as well. Nice big armrest. In there you've got wireless charging, so as long as your phone's got wireless charging, stick your phone on there, it will charge. If you haven't, you've got a USB port there you can plug your phone into. Manual handbrake on this generation of M4. If you're familiar with M cars, you'll know about the M1 and the M2 buttons. If you're not, then you've got lots of different things you can change on the car, so like throttle response, suspension, steering feel, speed of the gearbox change. you can save all those as favourites basically. So you're driving along, you go, oh, I quite like this bit of road, I'll go to my M1 button, and then you may have everything turned into nuclear. If you're on the track or something like that, you can maybe have that as M2, or you could have M1 as dry days, M2 as wet days. You can program, set them up as, however you want. You've got 2 favourite settings. Cruise controls over here, speed limits over here, floppy paddles as well. So gearbox does a good job of changing gears itself, but you can use the paddles if you so wish. Over here you've got your voice activation, Bluetooth for your phone. You can change radio stations, stuff like that over there as well. Automatic wipers, automatic headlights, so just turn that to the A like so. And that's about it really. I'm just now getting quite nice and warm, but I'll turn it off and I'll show you the rest of the car. So this being a convertible, I'm not going to do it because it is raining, but the roof here just folds into the boot. So it's a metal roof. So the advantage obviously is greater security, not rather than being a fabric. You have a big boot as it stands, obviously with the roof up. With the roof down, you just pull that flap down there, and the roof folds into that area there, still leaving you some luggage here. And then it's got this quite clever button here, so if you have the roof down, that button lifts the whole roof up, allows you better access into the storage, and then you can then press the button, lower it back down again, and job's a good one. So you've still got enough room for weekend away and stuff like that. And that's about it really. So thank you very much for watching. So this car's currently for sale here at Lloyd BMW South Lakes. If it's of interest, then give us a shout. We can do any finance figures, test drives, we can do nationwide delivery service as well. And if you've got any questions, just give us a shout. So in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.